Today, we're working on brakes on an 03 Max. Should be 1, 2, 3. I'm not doing both sides. I'm gonna just do one side because it's gonna take too long. So I'm gonna show you one side and just do the other the same way that I showed you the first time. Let's get it. Okay. First things first, you need your safeties. You need a jack over there. You need a jack over here. You need to lift the car up with your floor jack right here. Alright. You need your rotors, and fresh rotors. You need fresh rotors, you know what I mean? Then brakes, new brakes, C-clamp. Does the trick, old school, you know. Yeah, gloves if you want. Man or not, who cares? You can use the gloves. 19 deep, you need that 19 deep. You know what I mean? You need that. Take off the bracket. This 14, take off the caliper. And you need this 19 to loosen that bracket, because that bracket is tough sometimes. You need that. You know, ratchet, Phillips head, hammer. Yeah, if you need that, take off the rotor. Sometimes it's stuck, you know. Gloves, your choice. Your choice. You want to use gloves. Alright, if you want, you could take off this clip for the caliper, you know, because that thing be in the way sometimes. If you want to take that off, you can take it off. I'll take it off because, you know, sometimes it be annoying. Yeah, so I'm gonna hit that out. Shit. Take that off. Just like that. Put it back in when you're done. Alright, just like that. Pull that out. The hole. Alrighty. Cool. Alright. You can take that off too if you want, but yeah, if you want to do that. It's not really in the way, but just leave that. I'm gonna leave it. Alright, let's take off these 14. These are 14s right here. 14 and 14 right there. Alright, let's grab that ratchet. See? It's hard to do this with one hand, you know. Alright, let's put that on. 14. Alright, see? 14. Alright, put that on. Bam. Let's speed this process up. I'm gonna use this speed ratchet. I call it speed ratchet. Ratchet. Minor key, you already know. Yeah. Alright. That ratchet was taking too long, so I gotta speed stuff up. Just like that. See? Look at that. Easy. Look at that. Easy. Alright, take those off. Bam. And bam. Alright, put that somewhere. Now, take off that caliper. Oh, that was that bad. Usually they're tight. Put it right there in your strut, shocks, whatever you want to call it. Shocks. Put right there. Chilling. I can put it there if you want, but I don't trust it. Put it this side. Alright. Right there. Alright. Should be good. Okay. Tight. Ah, look at these brakes. They're gonna take off these brakes. Look at these brakes. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Just old brakes. Still had a little life on it, you know. The other one's hard to come off, so I'll be back. Take that off quick. Alrighty, look at these. Look, this one's bad. Look at that. Ooh, this is low. Oh man, that's crazy. That one's low, real low. Be alright though. Now, let's take up these 19s right here. Break those loose. One right there. One right there. Get that breaker bar with the 19 on it. You already know. Alright. Took those bracket off with the 19. Alright, see those? Let it hang right there. Let it hang. Alright, take the rotor off. Inspection. Let's inspect this one. Inspect. Oh man, look at this. Woo! Look at that. You know you need to change those. That's crazy. Crazy. See that? Alright. Let's grab some brake cleaner. You will need that. You know. Yeah. You get nothing crazy. It's something simple. Oh, I guess it's in Spanish or whatever. Alright, it's English. Alright, brake cleaner. Alright. This thing works. Does the magic. Does the trick. Okay. You need to spray the surface. You know. Take all that oily stuff on it. Spray it just like that. Flip it over. Do the other side. Like this. Just like that. Alright, let's slap that thing on there. Slap that thing on there. See, it's hard working with one hand. I could do about that. Alright. Put in a hole like that. Alright. Some people put bolts on there to hold the rotor. Make it easier when you put on the bracket. I'll put it on there just to show you. I usually don't put it, but I'll put it on there just to show you how easy it is to put the bracket back on there. You know what I'm saying? Twist that on there. Alright, put the other one right across from it so we can sit flat on that hose. Nice and tight. Alright, make sure you don't move. Alright, see the bottom. The bottom still needs some. Tighten that one. Alright, looks tight. Alright, that one look tight too. Double check. Alright, tight. See, look, grease these 19. You gotta grease them. Put some grease in there. So you can just go right back on there. I put grease on there. Some people don't, but I put grease because that thing was hard to come out. Next time, when easy come out, take your bracket. Put that thing right back on there. See, I'm talking about easy, just like that. Yep, I can't do it with one hand, so. All right, you see these pins right here? You need to grease these. You grease right in there. Grease that. Grease that one too. You don't want that to seize, because it'll make your brakes wear uneven. You don't want that. You can change these clips if you want for the brakes. You can change them, but I'll leave it. All right, take your new pads. I mean, grease them just like that if you want. I grease. This is how I grease them. Grease there too, and up there. You know, I just grease it up real good, because I don't want it stuck in there and get stuck over time. So grease it up. You put that in there. Put that in the hole sensor. Put that just like that. You see that? You gotta put it right in there, like so. Back the same way. Just put it. All right, the back same thing. Grease it up. You know, just like that. Don't put it like that. People who say put it reverse, I don't know how you put it in reverse. There's no way you can put it in reverse, because look, it'll be metal to metal. You automatically feel that when you're braking. You don't want to do that. So flip to the other side where all that meat is, so it can get erased when you brake it. Now, put it in there. Okay, like so. All right, nice and tight. Just like that. Now, Let's take the caliper. Let me pushing that piston. Pushing that piston. Alright. Let's grab an old brake pad to use to push it in. Push that piston in there. Just like that. See, use this brake pad, the old one that came off the car. Put it like that. Alright, hold on. Let me grab C-clamp. Alright, like so. Just like that. Put the C-clamp just like that with the old brake pad on the piston. Take this, turn it. Alright. Turn it. Take can't go no more. Keep going. Should be like this, you know? Just like that. So you can't turn no more. Look at that. See how close it is? That close. Need that close. Alright, let's loosen this. Alright. Loosen that up. Alrighty. Take that off. Alright, let's put this on. Easy. Like that. So, put it in. It should slip easy. Just like that. It should slip in. Push those back. Those are in the way sometimes. Those are annoying. No. Especially when you're doing one hand. Alright, I'll be back because I can't do this with one hand. You need two hands to do this. Alright, let's take these bolts. 14 bolts. 14. Put those in there. Like so. Twist that in there. It should go in smooth. You know what I'm saying? It should go in smooth. Just like that. Look at that. That was acting like move it up. Alright. Oh, yeah. Now let's tighten this up, cause let's do that. You already know I gotta bring out the Milwaukee. Yeah. Nah, man. Easy. Look at that. See? Oh, look at that. If y'all want one of these, I'm gonna put a link down low so y'all could get one of these, cause these, yo, save lives, man. Save lives, save time, you know what I'm saying? Use it all the time. You should get one. I recommend this tool. Alrighty. Alright, let's take that ratchet. You know what I mean? You don't want to trust that electric ratchet, so let's tighten that hand tight. Okay, so do the bottom. Hand tight. Alright, just like that. Nice and tight. Because you don't want this bracket to fall out while you're driving. That would suck. There'll be bigger problems to deal with. I mean, so let's finish it off with some brake cleaner. Let's finish it off. Some brake cleaner. You already know. Spray that just like that. Spray. That thing stinks, but does the job right. Alrighty, let's put this wheel back on. Nice and clean. Alright, let's torque these wheels. Yeah. Before we tighten the wheels, don't forget to put this on, cause just put it on. You need it. Just to hold the holes together. On the shocks. Alright. Let's grab this torque wrench ratchet. That 21. Put it 100 pounds. I put 100 pounds. Some people do 90, 80, but I do 100. Let's grab that 21. Put that on there. Alright. Let's put that on there. Tighten it till you hear a click. Till you hear a click. It's like that. Yeah, right. You're supposed to go star pattern, but yeah, keep going circles. If you want. Just like that. Take a click. Do the lock if you want. I do it anyway, cause why not? Take it out. Let's do the other side real quick. You know, maxima game right now. Nissan. Alright. Put that lock in. Alright. So wait to click. Alright.
Alright. Just finish off with the lock if you want. Click. Alright, take it out. Don't forget, some people leave it on. You should take it out. Alright. Cool. If you have any questions, comment below. Anything you want to know, just let me know. And yeah.